Hey, I am Dr. Sajif Philip, Fetal and Pediatric Cardiology Services from Tiruvalla Medical Mission, Kerala. As you know, many softwares related to the fetus is available, but exclusive fetal cardiac software is not available. That's the reason I have an idea to start on our own fetal cardiac software in India. So this is the small icon. The software name is called Philipsa software. This is the opening of our fetal cardiac ultrasound software, and here you type your name, the login, and then the front page will come, and front page has got patient data and the special notes if you want to create, and this is the morphology reports. If you are doing a fetal autopsy, you can type your patient's data on this, and this is the nomogram chart. Individually you can see the normal values of pulmonary valve, RV, LV, aorta, umbilical, the umbilical artery, PA, everything it comes in that data. And then you have the statistics, the work you are doing. This is the most of the time, this is more the normal data you can see here. Then you have a reference letter. Suppose if you want to see the reference letter, you click on the patient's name. So that the doctor's name will come, you type it. Then you have billing. If you are interested in billing your own clinic, you can bill it, and suppose you are doing this and you add this, and the fetal your own charges you can add, and you add fetal, and like the icon, just a few letters is sufficient. The input data will come. This is your fetal echo chart, and then you create the billing. Please wait for generating invoice. The invoice will come. That wonderful invoices will come. Fetal and Pediatric Cardiac Services. Your department and your hospital name you can type it. That is, our software will online. They will create everything for you. There is no CD-ROM for this, but online desktop either through AnyDesk or other software is available. They can search the data in your computer, and then they will do it everything for you. So now I will go into the patient data. This is the patient data. Whatever you are doing, all will come here. And new booking. This is the new booking. The new booking, you have a name, everything you can type it here. Occupation, address, city, SIM code, partner's name, occupation, phone number. Without phone number, this won't generate the report, because the phone number is important for you to follow up the cases. If any difficult cases, you need their number. So this, you won't forget to add the number. That's why computer will ask the number, phone number. Otherwise, it won't print out. The referred by which doctor, hospital name, and any special comment. Other than indication, you can write any special comment. Then the present pregnancy, the blood group you can add here, and the last period you can add. The calendar will come accordingly. You can add the number, and expected date will come automatically. Like example, the last menstrual period is, if you add immediately, that will come. 21 weeks will come. Expected date will come. Gestation how many, para how many, abortion, live male or female, and antenatal any exposure, yes or no. If it is yes, then you write X-ray, ECG, etc. Those things, and weight, height, and BSA will automatically come. That is a important thing. Example, you type like that and 169, then the surface area will come automatically. Then the additional history, screen index done or not, yes. New ND scan done or not, yes. Then done ND thickening size and nasal bone seen or not. Double marker test done or not, positive or negative. If it is positive, you can write the comments. Triple marker not done, amniocentesis, cell-free DNA, and expected risk if you want to type, and the mode of previous delivery, either cesarean, vacuum, germination, any previous history of aneuploidy in the first sibling, second sibling, etc. Then the chronic disease, any cardiac disease. If nothing, then you just click on nil, the entire column will automatically fill. So it's very fast, you can fill it up and take out the printout. And consanguinity, if it is there, yes. And then the family history and drug history. Then the medicines you can add. This is already I added because all of the cases iron and calcium is already. Then if you want to add, then they do Fastone or Ecosprin, etc., you can add. Then the examination will come. That is a wonderful thing. There are 4 divisions I given. The date of time of your examination, time you have to write, and then the indication. Indication, you have some of them here, majority are there. Echo, any foci, arrhythmia, hypertrophy, extracardiac anomaly, suspected CSD, hypertension, and maternal autoantibody, and those things you can write. If your indication not found, then you put others and type it here. And situs haltus, this is in default, I put it. If you have dextrocardia, you just reverse it. Otherwise, your reporting will be easy. So the normal report I already put it in the default way. So the ventricular septum is intact or not. Foramen ovale, right to left shunt, left to right is there. Bidirectional, normally right to left, so it is in default. Coronary sinus is normal or not. Great artery relationship. If it is abnormal, then you have to put the abnormal type, side to side, L post, D post, TGA. This is very detailed fetal echo report we are giving. And the second, you have measurement. Once you taken the LMB, calculate the week for gestation, automatically the normal value come in the bracket. So when you type it, you know that it is abnormal or normal. So RV, LV, ventricular function, aorta, PA, PV, DA, ductus arteriosus, and ductus arteriosus, PA. If you are doing I used to do Doppler also in between some cases, especially coming with hypertension and all. So the ophthalmic artery, PA, and etc. you can add. So most of the things I added, and efficient, if it is there, then you put nil. Then ductus venosus, ductus descending aorta, the gradient, coarctation aorta, yes or no, the atrial size, ventricular, any disparity, abnormal or right ventricular enlargement or left ventricular enlargement. Function is normal or not, umbilical artery. Then the fourth is mitral valve, tricuspid valve, annulus, PA and AO, gradient, fetal heart rate, A rate, B rate, and umbilical PA, MCA, PA, middle cerebral artery, umbilical artery, PA, uterine artery, PA, all I have mentioned. And some of the parameters, E by E prime ratio, if you want to do with your higher end machine, is fine. And then impression default, I put the normal reporting. If you want to modify, edit it, and you can type it. And the comments you can write here, postnatal echo advice if needed. And then you save it, and then the report will come. So the reporting purpose, you generate the report, you wait, and the report will come like this, and you have 5 pages will come, and very interesting. And finally the report will come, and the comments also, and how much more you can add, the enough spaces are there. And here your hospital name will come. That is, our computer man will do it for you. So this is a wonderful software I created, and you can buy this Philipsa software. Any updation comes, it's free for you. We will inform you and they will download for you. Whereas previously I was using Astraya and other companies, every year huge license fee was paid. To avoid this, that is the reason I take a lot of pain and time to develop this Philipsa exclusive fetal cardiac software. Why don't you purchase it? Thank you.